Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to see unsent messages in Messenger. As of the latest updates to Facebook Messenger, there is no official way to view unsent messages. Once a message is unsent by the sender, it is removed from the conversation for all participants, including yourself. However, there are a few points to consider which I'm going to walk you over. Number 1, check for notifications. Sometimes, notifications for unsent messages may be visible on your device, lock screen, or in notification panel, depending on your settings. You might see a preview of the message content there. Next, ask the sender. If you need to know what was unsent, your best bet is to ask the sender directly. They might be able to share the content with you again if it's important. Next, look for archived messages. If you have previously archived messages, it is worth checking there to see if the conversation or parts of it is still available. However, unsent messages will not appear even in archived conversations. Next, check other devices. If you use Messenger on multiple devices, which include phone, tablet, desktop, the unsent messages might have been seen on one device before they were removed. So check other devices to see if the message was briefly visible. Next is to actually employ the use of third-party tools. Some third-party tools claim to recover unsent messages or access deleted content. But using such tools can be risky and may violate Facebook's terms of service. Always be cautious with third-party applications. The last step is to review chat backups. If you regularly back up your chat history, you might review the backups to see if the unsent messages were captured before being removed. So, however, this is unlikely to work for unsent messages that were deleted before the backup was made. Unfortunately, once a message has been unsent to Messenger, it cannot be recovered or reviewed. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.